Hello viewers, after recent Ipados 18.5 many users were asking me about the battery life. Actually many users did not upgrade to latest Ipados 18.5 but I have updated my iPad 10th generation to the latest version and you can see that there is no update available right now. After this update actually the storage scenario has improved, as you can see here. I got many storage from system data and iPadOS, and if you talk about the battery life, you can see that I have charged my iPad 10th generation yesterday, and after full usage of 1.5 days I got around 6 hours battery life, and today I have got around 4 hours plus battery life and yet 47% battery is left. So you can say that you will get around 8 hours plus screen on time on a single charge. But if you are not getting this kind of battery life, you have to do 3 steps. First, go to background app refresh and turn off these settings. If you don't use these apps, I don't use these apps most often, so I turned it off. The second method is go to security, and after that go to location services. Then you can see that I have turned on the find my device on, and after that I will go down and show you that I have turned off system services and some of the toggles are turned off because I don't need these to be turned on. And you can see here that the purple color shows the location of the app that has been used recently, and the gray color shows that it has been used in last 24 hours. So I have unchecked some of the boxes. You can also follow these settings to get better battery life. The next thing that you can do is in the Siri, go to Siri, and then if you don't use Hey Siri option, in that case you can turn it off here, as I have turned it off because I don't need it. And if I want to turn on Siri, I just have to press the power button, and by following that method I can also turn on the Siri option. As you can see here, Siri is activated by pressing the power button. This will definitely help in the battery consumption. Follow these 3 steps. Hope you will also get better battery life, and let me know in the comment sections below if you have already got great battery life or not. So in the conclusion, if your iPad is under warranty, in that case you should definitely upgrade to the latest version, that is Ipados 18.5, and enjoy the new features. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.